Hi children, welcome to today's session. I am your Snehal teacher from MCGM Virtual Training Center. Welcomes you in today's English class. Children, nowadays it's a rainy season. We all are at home, right? Because our schools are closed due to corona epidemic, we are sitting at home and studying and playing and doing our work. Everything whatever we are doing by sitting at home because we cannot go out, as you know that, and it's raining heavily outside. When we see rains from our home, we feel like going out and playing in the rain. Every year actually you enjoy the rain when you come to school or when you go to your home. Even if you have umbrellas or raincoats, you love to keep them away and wait in the rain, right? So, there is a little girl of your age. She is also sitting at home because of this corona epidemic, and she wants to go out and play, but she cannot go out. So she sits in the window pane and she watches the rain outside, and then she has some question in her mind and she asks those questions to the raindrops. So what questions she asks? Let's see this poem. Let's read from this poem, Raindrops. So our today's poem is Raindrops. So let's see what questions that little girl has in her mind while watching the rain. So this is the page of the poem in our book. Open your book and come on page number 10. There are 4 things which we are going to do today. Listen, repeat, read aloud and sing. 4 things we will do. First of all, I'll read the poem. You will listen to it. Then you will repeat after me. Then you will read the poem. And then you will sing the poem. Okay? So let's start with the poem Raindrops. First thing you have to listen the poem. I'll read it for you. You will listen it carefully and you will repeat after me. Okay? And then we will read the poem and then you people will sing it. First of all, I'll read it for you. Oh, where do you come from, you little drops of rain? Peter patter, down the window pane. Oh, where do you come from, you little drops of rain? Peter patter, down the window pane. Okay, did you listen and repeat it after me? Now let's read the poem. Oh, where do you come from, you little drops of rain? Peter patter, down the window pane. You can see a small girl is sitting there at the window pane and she is watching rain from her window and she has that question. Oh little drops of rain, where do you come from? And they make some sound. Peter patter. बघा पाऊस पडतो ना बाळांनो, तेव्हा एक प्रकारचा आवाज येतो. आपण जरी दरवाजा खिडक्या बंद केल्या आणि आपण खिडकीत बसून पाऊस पाहत असलो तरी आपल्याला त्या पावसाचा आवाज ऐकायला येतो. त्याला आपण काय म्हणतो? पीटर पॅटर. तुम्ही ह्याच्या आधी पण ती कविता शिकला आहात बघा, आय हिअर थंडर. त्याच्यामध्ये हे शब्द होते पीटर पॅटर. ओके. Oh, where do you come from, you little drops of rain? Peter patter, down the window pane. खिडकीतून window pane you can see there. Next stanza. I'll read it for you. I'll sing it for you. You listen and you can repeat after me. Then we will read it together. Okay? Tell me, little raindrops, is that the way you play? Peter patter, all the rainy day. Tell me, little raindrops, is that the way you play? Peter patter, all the rainy day. Let's read it. Tell me, little raindrops. Raindrops are small, little. Is that the way you play? Peter patter, all the rainy day. She is asking to the little raindrops that is that way they play in the rainy day, all over the rainy day. ती जेव्हा त्या रेनड्रॉपचा आवाज ऐकते पीटर पॅटर तेव्हा ती त्यांना विचारते की तुम्ही असंच पावसात खेळता का? टेल मी लिटिल रेनड्रॉप्स इज दॅट द वे यू प्ले? पीटर पॅटर ऑल द रेनी डे. Next stanza. I'll read it again. I'll sing it for you. And you people will listen it. You will repeat after me. And then we will read and sing together. I sit here on the window. I have nothing else to do. Oh, I wish that I could play this rainy day with you. I sit here on the window. I have nothing else to do. Oh, I wish that I could play this rainy day with you. That little girl is sitting at the window pane, but she is thinking that she wished that she could play this rainy day with the raindrops. ती असं स्वप्न बघते किंवा अशी इच्छा व्यक्त करते की मला पण बाहेर जायला मिळालं तर किती बरं होईल, या पावसामध्ये मी खेळीन. I sit here on the window. I have nothing else to do. घरात बसून मला दुसरं काहीच करता येत नाहीये. I sit here on the window. I have nothing else to do. Oh, I wish that I could play this rainy day with you. पावसात खेळायला तुम्हाला सगळ्यांना आवडतं. तिलाही तसंच वाटतंय की मला बाहेर जाऊन पावसात खेळता आलं असतं तर किती मज्जा आली असती. I sit here on the window. I have nothing else to do. Oh, I wish that I could play this rainy day with you. So the last stanza comes here. I'll read it, I'll sing it. You can listen it carefully and you will repeat after me. You will read with me. You can sing it with me and you can sing in your tune also. Okay? So let's start with the last stanza. The little raindrops cannot speak but Peter patter pat. Means we can play on this side. Why can't you play on that? The little raindrops cannot speak but Peter patter pat. Means we can play on this side. Why can't you play on that? The little raindrops cannot speak. They cannot speak like us, but they do make the sound Peter patter pat. Means we can play on this side. Why can't you play on that? Raindrops आपल्याला काय सांगतात ते बोलू नाही शकत, पण ते आवाज करून काय सांगतात, आम्ही इथे खेळतोय, तुम्ही घरात बसून खेळा. The little raindrops cannot speak but Peter patter pat. Means we can play on this side. Why can't you play on that? The little raindrops also are telling you that you be at home, be safe, and you play at your homes, inside your home. Okay? So that was the poem. Now we will do some activities from this poem. So activity number 2, read aloud the following sound words, and read aloud loudly. There are some sound words and we will read them, but you have to read after me loudly. They are sound words. They are making some sound. आवाज दाखवणारे शब्द आहेत. Let's begin. Peter patter. Peter patter raindrops. Peter patter. Tring tring. Zoom zoom. Wow wow. Ding dong. Beep 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 beep. And the last word, wah wah wah. Enjoyed? So let's read them again, one by one. Okay? First word, Peter patter. Peter patter, raindrops. Read with me, Peter patter. Tring tring. Tring tring, which sound? The the bell of the bicycle or the bell of a phone. Tring tring. So the next sound is wow wow. Which poem you heard this sound? Old MacDonald with a bow wow here and a bow wow there. Who does this sound? You're right, dogs. Bow wow, bow wow. Then next sound, ding dong. Which sound is that? Very simple. It's a bell sound. Read it. Ding dong. The next sound, beep beep, beep beep. Who does this sound? Yes, the car's horn. Beep beep, beep beep, beep beep. And the next sound is wah, wah, wah. Who does this sound? When baby is crying, wah, wah, wah. Okay? So we have read sound words here. Now we will do one more very nice activity. See the activity. What other words come to your mind on reading each word? There are some words, and whenever we read those words, what words, which words come in our mind? आपल्याला काही शब्द दिले तिकडे. ते वाचल्यानंतर आपल्या मनामध्ये कोणते शब्द येतात ते आपल्याला सांगायचे. मी काही शब्द तुम्हाला इथे सांगणार आहे. काही शब्द तुम्ही सांगायचे. सो पीटर पॅटर. पीटर पॅटर रेनड्रॉप्स. बरोबर. पीटर पॅटर ऐकलं की आपल्याला रेनड्रॉप्स आठवतात. सो देर आर सम मोर वर्ड्स. Which are the words? We will read them one by one. Rain, raindrops, water, fall, cool, etc. पीटर पॅटर शब्द ऐकला की आपल्या डोळ्यासमोर हे शब्द येतात ना. रेन, रेनड्रॉप्स, वॉटर, फॉल, कूल, एटसेट्रा. आता हेच शब्द घेऊन आपण आणखीन काही शब्द बनवूया. ओके. वी विल टेक द वर्ड रेन. रेन म्हटलं की आपल्या डोळ्यासमोर काय येतात? क्लाउड्स, then shower, then thunder. We will take some more words. Water, rain. Water means we get water from rain. So first word comes in our mind is rain. River, waterfall. In rainy days there are many waterfalls. We can see if we go out of the city. Waterfall. Next word is fall. When we are thinking about fall, काय पडतं? First word comes in our mind is leaf. झाडाचं पान. Leaf. Apple. And tree. So these are some words I have thought about. तुमच्या मनात वेगळे शब्द आले की तुम्ही वेगळे सांगू शकता. हेच शब्द सांगायला पाहिजे तसं नाही. So, my dear children, that's all for today. In today's session, we have learned a very beautiful poem on rain, that is raindrops. तुम्ही ती कविता ऐकली, आपण वाचली, आपण गायली. तुम्ही सुद्धा ती कविता ऐका, वाचा, गा आणि ते नवीन शब्द सांगा. Okay? So see you in next session. Till then, bye bye. Enjoy the rains, but be at home. Take care.